Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Let us begin the session now. Let us now create a simple problem statement slide. So most of the things are already available in Google Slides. I'll go to shapes, then I'll select circle here or oval. I just remove the border line color. Then I will select this color as the background color for this particular oval or the circle. I'll just change the font for this. I'll make it probably 48. I'll change the color. I'll make it a question mark. I'll align it in centrally. Once this is done, I just go to shapes again. I select this particular bracket. I just paste it here. Once this is done, I'll again go to shapes. I go to equations. I will pick this left brace. I'll just paste it here. To have the left brace, I'll just align it with this particular circle. I'll just pull it up a little bit. I extend it. So once this is done, just place it. So this is a very simple or a lazy man's way of doing a problem statement slide. So you just bring it a little down. Say now you have certain highlighters or main problem pain points, and you are writing some basic explanation below that. Say for example here problem 1, I want this to be highlighted. Let me reduce the font size a little bit. Let me correct my spelling as well. Then I'll change the color of this particular text. Let me shorten this as well. Once this is done, I am again say giving a brief description about the problem below here. Let's test this. I'll remove the border. I'll change the color of the text here, and let me actually use a different shade of color. Let me use this, and let me test with the black color only. After changing the font, reducing the font size, XYZ is an important problem. Its major cause has been XDCRC, something like this. So we learned previously also. I will just align both of these text and image or the shape. I go to arrange, I go to align, I select align left. They got aligned. I'll just group them again. Okay, they are grouped now. I just copy it, make another one, copy it. So again, I'll align these things towards the left. I'll ensure that they are distributed vertically. So this is done. I'll just have to change the problem to problem 3 here, and accordingly say all the problem statements I'll be mentioning here, and then a brief description about that. This is one of the easiest methods to make a problem statement slide. I'll also show you another way. Say you have 4 or 5 problems that are being caused. So I just go to shapes again. I select this particular donut shape. I just minimize the thickness of the donut here. So once this is done, I will go to format. I go to size. I lock the size aspect ratio. So this is to ensure that, say, if I change the length or breadth, then the breadth also gets changed. Same way, if I change the breadth, length also gets changed. Whatever the aspect they are in, or the, say, there are 16:9, 16:3, like that aspect. So here it is pretty much 1.21 is to 1.21. So they are more like a square aspect. So it will remain constant. Even say if I change it to, say, 2, for example, the height also gets changed to 2. Let me bring it back to 1.5 only. Keep it this way. Uh, Let me remove the border color. Let me change this to this particular color. Say I want to add certain icons. I am using the icons from the shapes itself just to make it quicker. There are plenty of tools such as, flat icons, all these things you can use in order to make your presentation more beautiful. Let me just keep it at point 0.8. Let me change the color of this particular icon, say, to yellow. Now I place this here. I group them again. I make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 copies. I'll keep them here. I will select all these things. This is another interesting thing you can do, which will simplify the things for you as well as make the work quicker. You select all the similar images that are out there. You go to arrange. You first align them to the top. Say once they are aligned on the top, you distribute them horizontally. So you get 5 proper equidistant circles, or the whatever the structure you are creating. Now you just align it to center here. Say you want to add text below this, saying some random text here regarding the problems that are there. And of course, one header if you want to add. Let us say I'll choose this particular header here. I'll remove the border again. I will make this yellowish. I will make this roboto. I'll reduce the size of the font. I will make it bold. Let me actually change the text color as well to white. So here you have problem 1. If I align it, this becomes my problem 1. Again, same way. Make 4 more copies of this. Let me bring down this text a little bit down for now. Select all the copies. Distribute horizontally. Align to the top. So now we have all these circles as well as this text aligned internally as well as we had done earlier. So now you have the text here. Let me just reduce the size of the text here. Yeah. So if I align this properly and reduce the size of the font to say 11, let me just paste it a few more times. again the same thing. I align them to the top. I distribute horizontally. Again, everything is arranged properly. So this is another way to do a statements like.
Thank you. Do like and subscribe to keep yourself appraised about upcoming videos from my end. See you in the next one.